In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record game audio only in OBS Studio. OBS Studio is a popular choice for streamers and gamers alike because it's a robust, open-source software solution. But sometimes all we want is to capture just the game audio without any additional sounds from our system. So let's dive in and break down how you can do this seamlessly. First off, you'll want to make sure that OBS Studio is installed on your computer. If you haven't done so already, head over to their official website and download the latest version for your operating system. Now, once you've got OBS Studio up and running, the first thing you'll want to do is open the application. It's a good practice to ensure that your software is updated and your audio drivers are working perfectly beforehand. Once you have OBS Studio open, direct your attention to the Sources panel. This is where the real magic starts. The Sources section is essentially where you can specify what your OBS Studio will record. Look for the Add Sources button, usually marked with a plus sign, and give it a click. In the menu that appears, select Game Capture. Game Capture is precisely what you'll need for grabbing the audio from your gaming sessions. After you select Game Capture, you may need to name this source. Giving it a descriptive name like the game's title is always a good idea, so you can easily distinguish it from other sources later down the line. With that set up, your next step is to click on the Settings button, typically at the bottom right of your OBS window. In this expansive menu, look for the Audio section. This is where you will define your audio preferences. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a menu that lets you customize your audio settings. Now, within this audio section, find the option labeled Desktop Audio. This setting specifies which device OBS Studio will listen to for audio capture. You'll want to match this setting to the device through which your game audio is played. For instance, it could be your speakers or your headphones, depending on your setup. Choose wisely and ensure it's the correct one. With your audio device selected, you're all set to start recording. Navigate back to the main OBS interface and locate the Start Recording button. A simple click on it will commence the capture process, but only for the game audio this time. If you follow all these steps correctly, you should be up and running, capturing only the audio from your gaming experience. This method is particularly useful for creating game montages, walkthroughs, or Let's Plays, where you might want to add your own commentary separately later on. Now go on, give it a try, and enjoy the simplicity of focusing purely on your game audio. Happy gaming and recording!